Hi guys, Marcus from Spotix Underwater Vision here. Today I just wanted to do a quick video just to show you one of the most recent custom projects that we put together for one of our clients. It's a 4K tow camera system. So the tow camera and sled itself looks pretty similar to some of our GoPro varieties. However, inside of here, instead of a GoPro, we've got a 4K 25 frames per second low light IP camera, and we're also running the Ardu subsystem in here. So we've got the Raspberry Pi and the Pixhawk flight controller, and running that hardware, we're able to get vehicle data to our topside display. So we're going to get depth, we get temperature, we're going to get GPS position, a whole other range of factors of parameters if we need. The other cool thing with this project is the PC that we built. So inside this Pelican 1450 case, we've got an i5 PC. It's running all of the software that we need to run the Ardu sub system. It's got the Binder 770 plugs. So if you've got a Blue Robotics ROV, you can plug straight into here and use the PC in here to control your ROV. It's got a sunlight readable high brightness screen and a lot of other features that's going to make using a PC in the field really convenient. So let's take a look at a few of the features in more depth. So this is the PC, as I mentioned. It's got a sunlight readable screen up here. There's a built-in speaker so you can hear the PC and Q ground control alerts. There's multiple fans throughout the case to keep both the monitor and the PC cool. It uses 12 volt power, but it uses a 19 volt power pack, which you can power either from a 12 volt cigarette socket, or there's also a AC/DC power pack. So both of those are supplied with the PC. It has USB inputs. So here we've got a USB input is our GPS receiver for Q ground control. There's an Ethernet switch on board, so if you need to add additional Ethernet devices, you can do that through the Ethernet port, and there's also a HDMI out port. So if you want to replicate the monitor onto a bigger screen for other people to view, or if you want to add a screen to have multiple displays, you can do that. Because this is built for a drop camera and we don't necessarily need the gamepad, we've got the LED dimmer for the lights built into the actual panel there. So we'll just use that to control our lights, and the whole system is navigated using a wireless Bluetooth keyboard. So we did that just so that to minimize having to use the panel on the PC, just minimize any chance that there'll be wet hands touching the monitor. So there you can see we're running Q ground control. We can set up NME router so that we've got our
change DK2_GPS_type to 1.
So that we've got our GPS position. And that's our live feed there. So as I mentioned, we can control our lights. And we can obviously start and stop recording using our keyboard there. So that's it, guys. If you'd like any more info on a PC or our 4K system, please get in touch.